Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the SSD so you don't risk accidental writes to other drives. Once powered and connected via a reliable USB adapter or direct SATA, check model and firmware because some fixes depend on controller behavior. Boot a Linux Live environment that includes SmartTool, HDParm, and DDresQ. Then run a quick smart read to see current error counts. This tells you whether the issue is logical or hardware. Make sure to avoid mounting the file system so you don't trigger writes. You must image the drive first. That preserves current data and lets you retry tools safely. Use DDresQ with a map file to copy sectors to a larger destination drive, allowing multiple passes on bad sectors. Once you have an image, mount or attach it read-only and run file system checks like FSCK for ext or CHKDSK equivalent, and use testdisk to repair partition tables. If Smart looks okay and the controller is functional, consider HDParm Secure Erase to reset remapped sectors only after imaging because it destroys data. Start by repairing the image. Run targeted file system tools and recover critical files to a separate healthy disk, verifying integrity as you go. Once data is safe, if you performed a secure erase and firmware update successfully, reflash the drive and write the restored image back, then run full Smart and long read tests to confirm stability. If errors continue or Smart shows failing media, stop, contact the manufacturer for RMA or a professional data recovery service. Troubleshooting tip: if reads fail intermittently, test with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.